In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your website's Favicon in WordPress using hPanel in just a few simple steps. Whether you're looking to refresh your site's look or just want to give it that extra professional touch, updating your Favicon can make a noticeable difference. First, we'll need to access hPanel. Once you've logged in, navigate to the Websites section. There, you'll find a list of all the sites you manage under your account. Choose the one for which you want to update the Favicon by clicking on Dashboard. This will redirect you to the main overview page for your selected website. Now, to make changes in WordPress, you'll want to click on WordPress Admin. This link is conveniently located right on your website's dashboard and will take you directly to the WordPress dashboard. It's your command center for customizing every aspect of your website. Once you're in WordPress, the key area we'll be working with is under Appearance. Go ahead and click on Customize. This is where you get to personalize different elements of your site to make it truly your own. As we focus on the Favicon, next select Site Identity from the menu. Here, you'll find a section labeled Site Icon. The site icon, or favicon, is the tiny image that appears in browser tabs, bookmark bars, and within WordPress mobile apps. It's an important part of your brand identity, even if it's small in size. Here's where the fun begins. You'll see an option called Change Image under the Site Icon section. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to upload and select a new Favicon image. It's crucial to pay attention to the size of your image here. It should be at least 512 by 512 pixels to ensure clarity across different devices and browsers. Once you have the perfect image ready, upload it and select it as your Favicon. Your new image will be visible in the preview, showing you exactly how it will appear in a browser tab. This is a good time to make sure everything looks just right. It's all about those details. After you've uploaded and confirmed the selection of your new Favicon, click on Publish. By doing this, you're saving the changes and instantly applying them to your live site. Remember, it might take a few minutes for the changes to appear on all browsers, so be a bit patient. And there you have it, a fresh Favicon that enhances your site's branding with a polished, professional touch. You've successfully completed the update without missing a beat. Be sure to revisit this area whenever you rebrand or feel like your site could use a new look. Thank you for following along, and I hope your website now shines a little bit brighter.